Fiber is our future for all aspects of this modern world. My name is Jimmy Todd. I'm the CEO and General Manager for Nex-Tech and the Chairman of the Board for Fiber Broadband Association. For me, we have to continue to focus on finding the areas that are unserved and underserved. I'm a rural guy, so for me, it's important to not forget our rural communities, our farmers, our ranchers, our small towns. And we have to make sure that every effort is made that fiber is the infrastructure that is put in place in all of these rural areas. So without fiber, we're going to have disparities between urban areas and rural areas. My company for years has focused on bringing fiber to our rural communities. We started as a cooperative, and beyond our cooperative footprint, our neighbors needed to be connected. So we connected all of our cooperative footprint, and we have expanded outside that, finding areas that people need to be connected and be able to communicate and be part of this modern world. So here we are in mid-2024. We know that BEAD funding is on the way. We have had the benefits of ARPA funding. USDA has had funding that has been available for many years. We need to focus on making sure that this program, all funding programs, are used to reach these unserved and underserved areas. Quite honestly, there are challenges that go along with serving rural areas. The terrain, the distance, the cost, all of that comes into play. And we need to make sure that the high cost threshold takes into consideration that population density has a huge impact on that. So we need to make sure that we consider that as the funding goes out, because again, if we're making this big investment for the future, we need to make sure that that investment is going out to all rural areas as well as urban areas. And so we want to make sure that that's kept in mind. Permitting challenges are something everybody talks about, and whether it's BLM or whether it's right-of-way issues, we need to make sure that we have some consistency in how permitting is approached. Streamline and simplify as much as possible, because the goal is to get people connected through this funding and all the other funding mechanisms that have been made available. So our focus is continue making sure that rural America is connected and that we all see the benefits of a fiber infrastructure.